Swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching.